Hey there, welcome to today's edition of the Daily Market Rundown, where we break down the key financial developments shaping the stock market and global economy. In today's session, we will discuss India's ambitious nuclear power expansion plans aiming for 100 gigawatt by 2047, Vadilal Industries' 14% stock surge following major management restructuring, Adani Green Energy's milestone in commissioning 480 megawatt of solar and wind capacity, and Trent Limited's 5.5% share jump after crossing the 1000 store milestone in fashion retail. Let's get started. India is aggressively pursuing an expansion of its nuclear power capacity with a target to reach 100 gigawatt by 2047. Currently, the nation's nuclear capacity stands at 8,180 megawatt and the government aims to raise this to 22.5 gigawatt by 2031 to 2032. To facilitate this, a nuclear energy mission framework is being developed and amendments to key legislations including the Atomic Energy Act and the Civil Liability for Nuclear Damage Act are being considered to promote private sector participation. State-run giants like NTPC and Nuclear Power Corporation of India (NPCIL), along with private players such as Tata Power and Adani Power, are actively scouting locations for new nuclear plants. NTPC, India's largest power producer, has already identified over 20 potential sites and signed an Rs 80,000 crore MOU with Madhya Pradesh to develop non-fossil fuel projects including nuclear energy. Tata Power and Adani Power are both looking into potential sites, with Tata Power in the process of identifying suitable locations and Adani Power studying existing nuclear facility operations. With a clear policy shift and growing investments from both state-run and private companies, India's nuclear power capacity is set for significant growth, with the involvement of the private sector expected to accelerate the expansion process. Coming to Vadilal Industries, on April 1st, 2025, company's share price surged by 14.29%, reaching an intraday high of Rs 5,250.95. This increase followed the announcement that the Gandhi family, the company's promoter, has settled internal disputes and initiated a management restructuring aimed at enhancing corporate governance and professionalizing leadership. The restructuring includes a transition to professional management to improve transparency and operation efficiency, consolidation of brand ownership by securing full ownership of the Vadilal brand, and the merger of promoter-owned entities such as Vadilal Finance Company Private Limited into Vadilal Industries. The company has also announced significant board changes, including the resignation of key figures and the appointment of non-family, non-nominated directors with at least 3 independent directors. The restructuring is subject to shareholder approval and regulatory clearances from SEBI, NCLT and stock exchanges. Now talking about Adani Green Energy Limited, the company has successfully operationalized 480 megawatt of solar and wind energy capacity, marking a significant milestone in its effort to build the world's largest renewable energy park at a single location. Located in Khavda, Gujarat, this project is part of AGEL's broader goal to create 30 gigawatt of renewable energy capacity, which is expected to be operational by 2029. The project is located on a vast 132,943 acres of land, nearly 5 times the size of Paris. AGEL plans to generate 26 gigawatt of solar energy from 16 million solar modules and 4 gigawatt of wind energy from 770 giant turbines. The project is expected to create 15,200 green jobs and generate 87.4 billion units of clean electricity annually. Despite challenges due to harsh climatic conditions and lack of infrastructure in Khavda, AGEL is overcoming these through its ecosystem involving various Adani Group companies for manufacturing, logistics and cement supply. Lastly, Tata Group's fashion retail powerhouse Trent Ltd saw its share jump 5.5% to Rs 5,614.95 on the NSE Tuesday, following the company's announcement that it surpassed 1,000 large box fashion stores nationwide. The retail giant now operates 248 Westside and 757 Zudio stores, serving over 100 million customers across 230 Indian cities. This milestone is accompanied by impressive financial performance for Q3 FY25 with a 34% increase in net profit and a 34.32% growth in revenue from operations. Trent has maintained an aggressive expansion strategy, adding new stores across multiple cities, including 14 Westside and 62 Zudio locations in the last quarter. The company has kept profitability stable with an EBITDA margin of 13.1% despite rapid expansion. This milestone indicates strong growth prospects for Trent in India's competitive fashion retail market. So that's a wrap up on today's market rundown. From India's ambitious nuclear power expansion with a target of 100 gigawatt by 2047 and major players like NTPC and Adani Power ramping up their nuclear efforts to Vadilal Industries' significant management restructuring, Adani Green Energy's progress on the world's largest renewable energy park, and Trent Ltd surpassing 1,000 stores. Stay tuned for more updates and we will be back with more key insights soon.